Your client-side JavaScript is starting to mold. It's starting to resemble a fat spaghetti code, and it is time to add structure, but it won't take too long. Gotta get your truth out of the DOM. Take your data in the models that you cannot lose. We'll render out your models with the help of the views. And if you don't want your JavaScript to end up like a mess, it's time for the anatomy of Backbone.js at Code School.
In this course, Eric Allum and Greg Pollock will lead you through 7 high-quality screencasts and 45 in-browser code challenges so you can learn the basics of Backbone.js. Let's take a quick tour of the course interface. To start the course, you'll watch through the first video, and when you're ready to start the challenges, just hit the big button below the video. In the challenge interface, you'll see the number of points each question is worth, the challenge itself, and then a window where you can start typing the solution. After you type code and submit it, if you don't get it right, an error message will help you figure out what's wrong with your code. If you get stuck at any point, you can take a look at the slides, and there's no shame in asking for a hint if you need one to help you solve the challenge. On the top left side of the screen, you'll see your total points. You can jump around to the levels you've already completed, switch between different challenges on a level, rewatch the video if you need to, learn how to use the interface shortcuts, download the slides, or download the level video if you want to watch it offline. In this new course, we'll show you how to build a dynamic web application using Backbone.js. To get started, we'll do a quick overview of Backbone in the first level, and then take a closer look at views, models, and how they work together to represent your data on the client side. After that, we'll delve into collections and collection views to be able to work with multiple items, and finally we'll cover the 2 most powerful features of Backbone, its router and history APIs. For each level you complete, you'll receive a badge, finally earning the course completion badge, which will be displayed on your public profile. Finishing this course will unlock the final video, which will let you know where to continue learning Backbone. You'll also receive some prizes, including discounts on Backbone books and your next Code School course. In order to play the anatomy of Backbone, you'll need to have a good knowledge of JavaScript and maybe a little bit of jQuery. So it's time to stretch it out, sit up straight, and get ready to learn all about the anatomy of Backbone.js.